Join me today as I do an open house. It's just a day in the life of me as a realtor.
Okay, so here is the outside view of the house that I'm showing today. This is in the Windsor Hills area of Los Angeles. And the first thing that I do when I have an open house is I drop the signs in the area. I didn't record that part because it's a lot. I actually hate the dropping the signs down the block, and that's why I have sneakers on today. So this house has an indoor atrium, so I came in the house and I'm watering the tree because it probably hasn't been watered in about a week or so. I also have some little incense that I stick into the fireplace area just so we started to get some, aromatics going before I turn the fireplace on. I absolutely love these doors. These accordion doors that open all the way are literally my favorite part of the house. And so I just open the doors so we get some fresh air. As you can see, we're just going to take a little walk through the house. This is a 3-bedroom house, 2.5 bathrooms. Like I said, the indoor atrium. This living room is split by the fireplace, which I have not turned on yet, but I will turn on. The backyard has a nice seating area. And then you go up one stair. You see here's the half bathroom. Then down this hallway, you can see there's a water feature outside, which is a cute little additive. The first bedroom, so much natural lighting in here. It's literally gorgeous. You can see everything. Oh, that's me. Hey. A closet. We love a big closet. If you're like me, you gotta have a place to put your shoes and things. Here's the second bedroom. I love the frosted glass on these closet doors. I just think that's a nice touch. Lighted mirrors in the bathroom. One thing that I also appreciate, they're smart mirrors, so that's pretty cool. Then we're going into the master. One of the things that I love about this master is it has 2 walk-ins. Now, there's no bars in the closet, but you can do that yourselves. So yeah, again, so much natural lighting. And are you ready for this? Are you ready? The bathtub? Oh my gosh, the bathtub. I would literally never come out of the bathroom. I would just never come out of the bathroom. And it has a vanity in there. Please. Hour 2 has been pretty boring. There's really not much going on. It's still just me here. I am getting some warmth because I'm always cold. What I just found out is one of my favorite little hood spots, I didn't know that it delivered on DoorDash. So I ordered me some food. Because if I gotta be here for another hour, I'm gonna have me a burrito and some Kool-Aid. Honestly, a lot of my open houses are like this, where I may have an hour or 2 that's busy, and then you may have an hour or 2 that's not busy. It's a lot of downtime. So if you have something else to work on, that's helpful. But honestly, me being able to hook up my music is really keeping me company. Sometimes I invite like family members or people who haven't seen the properties that we have listed to come, because a lot of times they're renovations that we have done in conjunction with our development team. So if it's a rebuild, then I invite people to come so they can take a look and see what we've done. This is a rebuild, but this one has, like I said, it's been on the market for a few months. So a lot of people have seen it already, but there are still a lot of people who haven't. And so I'm hoping that we get an offer from the couple that came earlier. But if not, then I guess we'll be back again next weekend. I'm just excited about my burrito. Steak and shrimp burrito. It's so good. Do you see? Do you see? Man, God is good.
And so is this burrito. Peach mango Kool-Aid on the side. Oh yeah, I'm a big mind back by myself. I'll be back.
It's time to wrap it up. I am ready to go. That's a wrap on today's open house. All you saw was basically all that happened, including me eating that delicious burrito. That one couple that came that had already been here was the only couple who came by. So now I'm just gonna finish turning the rest of the lights off and I'm going home.